our today's classes. Yes, so after doing your yoga exercise, you all must be feeling energized, isn't it? Full of energy, full of enthusiasm. Then it's time to utilize your energy and let's get started with our today's classes. Okay? So, what is the date today? Today is 24th February 2021 and the day is Wednesday. Yes. What are we going to do today? English. Okay. So in English, today we are going to do the revision of a previously done topic, opposites. As you all are aware, now we have started with our regular revisions, isn't it? So today we are going to do the revision of a topic, opposite. अब opposite क्या होता है? What is opposite? किसी चीज का उल्टा. Like this is the front side of my palm. Front, back. उल्टा कर दिया ना इसको? So this is front and this is back. Like your front face and this is your back. Isn't it? So opposite means जब हम किसी चीज का उल्टा कर देते हैं. That is called opposites. So I have written some words here. Can you read them all? Let's start reading them. Big, on, day, hard, happy, wet, open, fat, and last we have laugh. Isn't it? So these are the words we have today. What we are going to do? We have to write opposites of these words. आपको इन words के opposite लिखने हैं. Because the topic is opposites. अब देखिए, one by one we'll understand them and we'll start writing. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of big? Big means bada, isn't it? So I want a big car. Toy car चाहिए but big वाली चाहिए. And वो छोटा है, उसको क्या दोगे आप? Small car. मैं big हूँ, मैं बड़ा हूँ तो मम्मा मुझे big car चाहिए. You say it like that ना? नहीं मम्मा, I want a big car. And what is the opposite of big? Big, small. What is the opposite of big? Small. So let's write that. S-M-A-L-L, small. Clear? Small or small. Now, the next word we have is on. What is the meaning of on? Keep your notebook on the table. Yes, keep your bottle on the table. ऊपर रखना. किसी चीज के ऊपर. जब आप अपनी स्टडीज करते हो, where you keep your books? टेबल के ऊपर रखते हो ना? So on means when you are keeping something ऊपर. Now the chalk is on my hand. Isn't it? अब ऊपर का मतलब on है तो ऊपर का opposite क्या होगा? नीचे. And what you call that? Under. So your ball is under the bed. Bed के नीचे चली गई है ball. Isn't it? So what is the opposite of on? Under. Let's write that. Under. Isn't it? What is the opposite of on? Under. Now, next we have is day. Day क्या होता है? When we have a shining sun in the sky, brightly shining sun in the sky. We call it daytime. अब जब sun नहीं होता, जब sky हमें black दिखाई देता है, What is that time? We call it night. Day is din and night is raat. So din, raat, day, night. Clear? So the opposite of day is night. Like this. Now next we have is hard. Hard क्या होता है? This board is hard. ये दबा रही है तो अंदर नहीं जा रहा है ना? So this board is hard. Now you all have cheeks. Press it. चीक को जब आप प्रेस कर रहे हो तो वो अंदर जा रही है ना आपकी स्किन. So this is soft. Clear? So hard क्या होता है? अब see, when you make a fist, यहाँ पे आपको bones दिखती होंगी, isn't it? आप इस bone को प्रेस करो, bone अंदर जा रही है? नहीं जाती. Why? Because bone is hard. And if we talk of soft, अब आप इस skin को प्रेस करोगे तो देखो आपकी skin अंदर जा रही है. Can you see it? The skin is going inside, so the skin part is soft. Hard means keda or soft is none. Like hard, for hard we can have an example if we talk about something we eat. Apple. Apple थोड़ा सा crunchy होता है, हमें chew करना पड़ता है, isn't it? But if we talk of cake, cake कितना soft and spongy होता है, so that is soft. Okay, biscuit is hard. Cake is soft. Okay? So, the opposite of hard is soft. Let's write S-O-F-T. Soft. Clear? Hard, soft. Done? Now, next we have is happy. Yes. So, today is my birthday. I'm happy. मेरा बर्थडे कब आएगा? I'm waiting. मेरा बर्थडे आएगा तो मुझे टॉयज, गिफ्ट्स मिलेंगे. तब आप थोड़ा सा सैड होते हो. आज मेरा बर्थडे नहीं है. Today is my birthday, isn't it? जब बर्थडे होता है, you feel so happy. So many gifts, toys, dresses, chocolates, cakes, everything for you. आप अपने आप को स्पेशल फील करते हो. But when you are waiting, बर्थडे आ जाओ, मुझे टॉयज लेने हैं, ड्रेस लेनी है, you feel a little sad. या जब आप मम्मा को बोलते हो, मम्मा प्लीज गेट मी अ चॉकलेट, मम्मा प्लीज बाय मी अ ड्रेस, मम्मा कहती है नो बेटा, वेट फॉर सम टाइम, बेटा विल टेक इट नेक्स्ट टाइम, नॉट नाउ. तो आपको बुरा लगता है, यू फील सैड, आप उदास हो जाते हो, isn't it? So can now you tell me what is the opposite of happy? Happy is wow, and when you are like this we call it sad. What do you call it? Sad. So let's write sa and sad. Sad means udas hona. Clear? So we have big, small, on, under, day, night, hard, soft, happy, sad. Now the next one we have is wet. You remember it's an H sound word. So what is the meaning of wet? गीला होना. For example, जब rain होती है and you are going back home, तो मन करता है ना बस बारिश में वाओ भीगो मजा आएगा. Books, notebooks थोड़ी थोड़ी wet हो जाती है but you enjoy that. और घर जाके मम्मा सब ड्रेस चेंज करती है बिकॉज वो वेट होती है, गीली होती है. फिर वो गीली ड्रेस को जब मम्मा चेंज कराती है तो मम्मा आपको कौन से क्लोथ्स देती है? ड्राई, जो सूखे हैं, ताकि आपको ठंड ना लगे. सो व्हाट इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ वेट? वेट इज गीला and the opposite is dry. Dry means, so what is the meaning of dry? Sukha. Clear? Now next we have is open. What is the opposite of open? Now see, I have a chalk box here. अभी कैसा है? Closed. आप मैम ने इसका ये कवर हटा दिया, so it became open. खुला या बंद. So the opposite of open is close. हम बोलते हैं ना, open the door, close the door. Open the window, close the window. Isn't it? Open your notebooks and do your work. Close your books. Let's do something else. ऐसे ही होता है ना. So when it is open, open का मतलब होता है कुछ खोलना, and close जब आप उसे बंद कर देते हैं. Clear? So open opposite of open, close. C-L-O-S-E. Close. Clear everyone? C-L-O-S-E. Close. Now next we have is fat. Fat means mota. Something like we have bear. Bear is very fat. And thin we can call a fox. पतला. थिन कौन होते हैं? पतले. Remember? आहा टमाटर बड़ा मजेदार, एक दिन उसको पतलू ने खाया, मोटू को भी मार भगाया. Isn't it? So मोटू is fat. मोटू पतलू कार्टून देखा है ना? तो मोटू का ऑपोजिट पतलू. Isn't it? So what do you call it patlu in English? Thin. What do you call that? Thin. So the opposite of fat is thin. Clear everyone? Opposite of fat is thin. Now the last one we have is laugh. Laugh. Now laugh means जब हम जोर जोर से हंसते हैं किसी बात को लेके, कभी कोई जोक आ गया या मम्मा ने कुछ बोला जिससे हमें बहुत जोर से हंसी आ गई. बट इफ यू डोंट लाफ, कभी मम्मा ने कुछ अच्छा बोला तो आपको हंसी आई, बट अगर कभी गलती पे आपको एक लग जाए तो क्या होता है? पापा मम्मा ने आज मुझे मारा, मैंने तो एक चॉकलेट खाई थी, मम्मा ने मारा. So you do like that, isn't it? Tell me if you don't. You do like that? तो क्या करते हो आप दादा दादी के सामने या नाना नानी के सामने you cry ताकि वो आपको लव करे. Isn't it? So very smartly you do that work, isn't it? So what is the opposite of laugh? Laugh means जोर जोर से हंसना, and the opposite is cry, रोना. So the opposite of laugh is cry. Is that clear to all of you? Now one more opposite which I would like to teach you. I just told you in the starting, that is front. Front means सामने, ठीक है ना? Front side. And the opposite is back. So back. So the opposite of front is back. Clear all? So what all are these? These are opposites. Understood? Now let's move towards our work today. Today you are going to write opposites in your notebook as your today's classwork. Okay? And your homework will be, you are not going to repeat them, you are going to learn them. Clear? Some of you are making mistake while writing the spellings, so please learn them but don't cram them. आपको रटना नहीं है, you have to understand the sounds and learn the spellings. Clear everyone? So let's see how we are going to do the work. Open your notebook, write down today's date and topic, and then let's begin with the notebook work. Okay? So class, now open your English notebooks, and in that notebook you are going to first write today's date. So what is the date today? 24th February 2021. Like this you will mention the date. Then you will write classwork and our today's topic. So what we have done? We have done the revision of opposites. Yes, and what are opposites? किसी given word का उल्टा लिखना. Clear? Now see, I have written some opposites here. Can you see them? Now what you have to do, I have written some words, not opposites. Opposites तो आपको लिखने हैं. I have written some words here. We are going to read them one by one, and after that we will write their opposite in front of them. Clear? Let's begin. So the first word, first means number one. So the first word we have is big. Can you tell me what is the opposite of big? Big means bada. So bade ka opposite chota, and what we call it? Small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Big, small. Clear? Now next, number two, what we have? On. On means ऊपर. क्या आप देख सकते हो? मैम ने ये नोटबुक टेबल पे रखी है. कैन यू सी दैट? आई हैव केप्ट दिस नोटबुक ऑन द टेबल. अब अगर ये टेबल पे नहीं होगी तो क्या होगा? अंडर. टेबल के ऊपर या टेबल के नीचे. Isn't it? So when it is on given to you, what is the opposite of on? Under. So let's write under like this. Clear all? Now the next one, number three. So number three we have day. Day means दिन का समय, जैसे कि अभी हो रहा है. Now what is the opposite of day? या तो दिन होती है, नहीं तो रात. And what you call रात को हिंदी में इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? Night. Day, night. Isn't it? So the opposite of day is night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Day, night. So we have big, small, on, under, day, night. Now next, number four. So number four we have hard. So can you differentiate? अब आप ये देखिए, जो ये टेबल है, टेबल का जो ये टॉप आप देख रहे हैं, इट्स वेरी हार्ड. जब मैम इसको प्रेस कर रही हैं तो क्या ये अंदर जा रहा है? नो. सो इट इज हार्ड. नाउ वन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सॉफ्ट थिंग आई कैन गिव यू इज इरेजर. ट्राई टू प्रेस इट. सी, वो थोड़ा सा प्रेस होती है. Isn't it? Try to do that. तो that is little soft. और इससे ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट चीज़ होती है. It can be your soft toys. आप उनको प्रेस करते हैं, फ्लफी लगते हैं ना वो हमें, कितने सॉफ्ट सॉफ्ट. सो हार्ड, द ऑपोजिट ऑफ हार्ड इज सॉफ्ट. S-O-F-T, soft. Clear? Now next we have is happy. जब मम्मा चॉकलेट्स दिलाती हैं तो आप हैप्पी हो जाते हो, और जब मम्मा आपको मना कर देती हैं तो आप कैसे हो जाते हो? You become sad. So what is the opposite of happy? Sad. S-A-D, sad. Clear? Now next we have is wet. So have you ever seen mama washing clothes or mama washing utensils? तो वो सब कैसे होते हैं? जब हम उस पर पानी डालते हैं, when we pour water on it, वो कैसे हो जाते हैं? वेट हो जाते हैं. बट जब हम उन्हें एक तरफ रख देते हैं या हम क्लोथ्स को बाहर स्प्रेड कर देते हैं वॉश करने के बाद, तो क्या होता है? दे गेट ड्राई, सूखना. सो वेट इज गीला and the opposite is dry, that means सूखा. Clear? Now next, number 7 we have open. So now your notebook is open, isn't it? अब अगर मैम इसको ऐसे बंद कर देंगी, अब वर्क तो दिख नहीं रहा है ना. If I'll just क्लोज इट लाइक दिस, तो नोटबुक क्या हो गई? क्लोज. सो ओपन, ऑपोजिट ऑफ ओपन इज क्लोज. CLOSE, close. Open, close. Clear? Now number 8 we have fat. Fat means मोटा, isn't it? अब वो आपको आहा टमाटर पोएम याद है? एक दिन उसको पतलू ने खाया, मोटू को भी मार भगाया. तो फैट इज मोटा. तो मोटू को किसने मारा था? पतलू ने. तो पतलू को हम क्या बोलते हैं? वी कॉल इट थिन. THIN, thin. Clear? So fat, thin. Now number 9 we have laugh. जब आप खुश होते हो, आप हैप्पी होते हो, तो जोर जोर से हंसते हैं हम, isn't it? हम क्या करते हैं? जोर जोर से हंसते हैं. बट जब हम उदास होते हैं या मम्मा किसी बात पे स्लैप लगा देती हैं तो क्या होता है? मम्मा ने मारा, ऐसे करते हो ना? सो वॉट यू वर डूइंग एट दैट टाइम? क्राई, रोते हो आप. सो द ऑपोजिट ऑफ लाफ इज क्राई. Clear everyone? So class, today we have written opposites. Let's read them once. Big, small, on, under, day, night, hard, soft, happy, sad, wet, dry, open, close, fat, thin, laugh, cry. Clear? So this is your today's classwork. You have to do it in your notebook. You will write these opposites there. And your homework. What will be your homework? You have to learn them all. Clear? Your today's homework is you will learn them. Some of you are making mistakes in spellings even now also. As you are sharing your work, I can see few of you are making mistakes in spellings. So please, I am not giving you to write it multiple times, but your homework is you are going to learn them. Clear all? So class, I hope you have understood how you are going to do your today's classwork. Now, in homework, as I told you, you have to learn them. So I have a very interesting way which can make your learning very easy in a rhythmic rhyme form. How we can do? Just see. So these are the opposites I am going to use in the rhyme. Okay? Start. Roly-poly, big, big, big. Roly-poly, small, small, small. Roly-poly, on. Roly-poly, under, under. Roly-poly, day. Roly-poly, night. Roly-poly, hard. Roly-poly, soft. So like this, you can do your rhythmic practice and learn these opposites. Okay? I hope you have understood how you are going to do your today's work and learn them. Bye for now. Get ready for the next class. Take care.